Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious stew, step by step. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have about 2 pounds of stewing beef, such as chuck. Cut the beef into 1.5-inch cubes. Pat the meat thoroughly dry with paper towels and season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Sear the beef in batches until it's beautifully browned on all sides, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes per batch. This browning step is crucial for developing deep flavor. Once the beef is browned and removed from the pot, it's time to build more flavor. Add 1 large chopped onion and 2 diced carrots to the same pot, cooking them over medium heat until they soften, which takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Next, pour in 2 cups of red wine or beef broth. Use a wooden spoon to scrape up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pot. This is called deglazing and adds incredible depth to your stew. Now, let's bring it all together for a long, slow simmer. Return the brown beef to the pot with the sautéed vegetables. Add 4 cups of rich beef broth and 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, undrained. For aromatic depth, tuck in 2 bay leaves and 1 sprig of fresh thyme. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook slowly for 2 to 3 hours. The goal is for the beef to become incredibly tender and fork apart. After a long, slow simmer, your stew is almost ready. Carefully remove and discard the bay leaves and the thyme sprig from the pot. Give the stew a taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, adding more salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. If you desire a thicker stew, you can simmer it uncovered for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. Serve this hearty, comforting stew hot, perhaps garnished with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley, and accompanied by some warm, crusty bread for dipping. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.